Peter, what does it say? Hello, Jay. I've been approved for 2 units. Congratulations. The challenge is that because negotiations dragged out on one, now both leases will begin July 1st. Would you recommend that newbies focus on getting them up one at a time, or should I attempt a simultaneous takedown? Well, Peter, you already have, let's be clear, you're out of phase one now. You're into phase two because you've already gotten a unit. So now we're talking about, to my understanding, number two and number three. Okay. And you told me that you wanted to make a business of this thing. If that hasn't changed, here's how I'm interpreting what you said. Hey Jay, I want to have a business. I've started my business, and my business has an opportunity to grow fast. But should I slow it down because I'm afraid? What do you think I'm going to say? Now I understand why you can feel like trepidation because you just went through setting up one unit. And you're like, oh man, that's a lot of work. But here's what I can tell you. You learned a lot during that first one, and you won't do it the same way, and it'll be faster than the last time, and you should continually, constant, never-ending improvement, challenge yourself. Bro, let's go. You said what you wanted. It is right here in front of you. It is happening because you asked for it. You started taking the actions. Don't back away now. Now is the time to put on your big boy pants and go, period. Now it is the time to figure out, well, okay, how do I do two at once? Because if it feels bigger than you, it is great. Now it's going to require a new skill set for you to learn how to do two at once, right? And you guys have heard me say before, I definitely don't recommend you doing that at the beginning, but the most we've done at once is 8, okay? Right now, like literally right now, we're doing 7. So did I do that right? Yeah, 7. Right now, we're doing 7. Okay. So what I'm saying to you is if you are really wanting to hit the goals that you told me and told the group about, and if you're serious about it, being who you said you wanted to be for your community, all that other stuff, I don't see this as a real question. I just don't. I see this as, Jay, I've never done it before. I don't have all of the tools that I need in order to get it done. So I feel a little trepidation. And that's understandable. And that's also appropriate. But that's also why you need to push forward. Just my thoughts. If you like information like this, go ahead and hit that like button because that tells YouTube that more entrepreneurs see us. And definitely hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that the next time we publish more quality content like this, you can be a part. Thanks.